Sometimes you might hover over a link and then you see that there is a text that describes what the link is about. You can include that or enable that using the title attribute in your A element. So, aside from the href attribute, you can include a title attribute and put in a text that describes what you want to be displayed when the person hovers over the link. Here I have put in how to code in Java. This is going to be displayed when someone hovers over the link. You can have multiple attributes within your A element. So for this example, we just have two, href and title. Href specifies the actual link you're going to go to. For title, it describes what is going to be shown when you hover over it. As you can see right now, it shows learn how to code in Java as the text when I hover over the link. This can be used to provide further information to the user before clicking the link.